My name is Michael Elliott, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about myself and then a little bit about my partner, which is Amit Kumar. He's a really nice guy. He's a good guy. So I've only been partnered up with a virtual employee for probably 5 months, and I've been working with Amit the entire time, and I am incredibly happy that we've gotten to know each other as people, and we have a work relationship. But most of all, he's built a good relationship with me on a personal basis, and there's something that he doesn't know about me that I'm going to share with you guys, and this will be when he learns it at the same time. So my wife and I started a software consulting company back about 5 years ago. It was working very well. We were growing, working hard, and building the business. And about a year and a half ago, I ran into some health issues. I was taken to the hospital in an ambulance. We thought that I had had a stroke. I couldn't walk, and anyway, a lot of other things. So while I was there in the hospital, I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, where I had 9 lesions on my brain. And over this last year and a half, it's impacted my memory a great deal. As you can imagine, being a software engineer and trying to run a business, losing your memory is a huge thing. I mean, from a software engineer perspective. So it was my thought process, my ability to work problems, my cognitive thoughts, memory has just gotten horrible. So you can imagine, as a software developer, that's a death nail in your coffin. So it started having a lot of bad impact on my family, from a business perspective, a personal time perspective, and so forth. So after a while, the business fell apart, and my wife and I had discussions. I needed to start trying to get back into the workforce, started trying to build a business again. So started looking around and found a client and reached out to Virtual Employee, and I was then partnered with Amit. Amit has a very positive personality, a very positive attitude, and that is a very, very good thing. It for me personally helps keep me going, and which translates to helping with my family, right? So his attitude has just been a tremendous lift to me, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and from a work perspective. He always has the attitude that we're going to get it done. We're going to do what it takes. And he's worked a lot of long nights. He's worked a lot of weekends just in this short period of time. And it is humbling to work with someone that doesn't complain, that does what it's going to take, works hard to solve problems, and he has patience with me, right? So he doesn't mind repeating himself, since my memory doesn't work, and now he knows why my memory doesn't work, and he didn't know before. That was intentional to not share that with him. I didn't want him to feel sorry for me. Anyway, Ahmet has been a huge influence on helping me shift my attitude from realizing that I know at some point what will be the cause of my death and my disease, but looking very positively at the future. And Ahmet has helped steer me that way, and I know that Ahmet, as a partner to me, is going to help get the business back up on its feet. And I'm just very thankful for Ahmet personally, and from a developer perspective. Thank you for putting up with me, Amit, and I'm very, very glad that we've gotten to know each other. That's it. I just really appreciate it.